Hey guys, how y'all doing? This is Eric with Inspired Trading. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. We're going over Bitcoin, maybe some other cryptocurrencies in the market. I know everybody's seeing red in the market. They get a little worried. That's okay. This is part of the cycle. So what happened? I do want to let you guys know that a lot of you guys don't understand that cryptocurrencies is also part of similar to the Forex market. You're just trading a digital currency, but it's a currency. And with that, you're trading one currency against another. So, of course, on this chart right here, we got the BTC against the USD. And US dollar saw a little bit of strength this week so far. We can take a look at the dollar index as well. But some key things, I already have these plotted out of potentially where Bitcoin could come to. I'm not saying that Bitcoin would drop down to 7,000, but it's a possibility based on some of the retracement levels of the Fibonacci retracement tool. So right now we're clearly have fallen below our moving averages. All right. So let's go into a bigger screen. So look what's going on. We were in a consolidated state right here. We broke out of this consolidation. Now we're back down into this zone. All right. So what we've seen is that instead of continuing with forming what we call a bear flag, we didn't break this pattern. So instead, we went back up and we revisited area of market structure. So you got to understand a retest of market structure. This right here was an area right here was served as what? Support. Price was pushed down. We'll use this. Price pushed down to support. All right. Look how price came down here to the support level. It came up, rallied, and then we broke the support. Okay. Now, since price broke this support, what are we waiting for? We're waiting for price to come back and revisit area that used to be support, but now serve as resistance. Always remember, when support is broken, it becomes the new resistance. So therefore, look what happened. Price broke down, came back. When we hit resistance and we pushed back down. Therefore, what I'm suggesting is this move right here is not over with. We may go down and see some lower levels. All right. So all we in now is this was just a rally. Okay. This is a rally or a correction for this bigger move, and we may keep going to the downside. And if you take the Fibonacci zones for this huge move based on what happened back in March, we're still could be in play. Now, listen, this move right here could possibly be over, but it doesn't say that we cannot come back down here to fill these wicks. It's a possibility. I'm not 100% sure. Nothing is, but you got look at these wicks, all these wicks, even this wick over here. All of them was filled, meaning that price came back in and covered them. All right, so this is a wick that's still available that we possibly could see being filled one day. Now, let's go ahead and let's pick up our fib levels, take it from the swing low to swing high. All right, so we got a key level. Our 23% was crossed over. That is a key indication that we could be looking to go lower. When we came back up, and what did? We retested, like I said, that area of that used to be support, now it's resistance. And then this move right here, which is considered an impulsive bearish move to the downside, could come back down to this area. Okay, so there's something to pay attention to. We could see price come back to the 9,169 area, and then we need to monitor how price reacts here. If we violate any of these areas, we can look to go even lower to 8,000, and then if we break this level, then it'll be down to 7,000. Okay, so that's something to keep in mind for Bitcoin. So this particular crashing is nothing but levels being respected. Okay, key levels that's being respected and just playing out. Okay, So when we came up to this area of 11,000 some change, this was a critical level. Why? Because we always told the what? Look left, boom. Okay. Anybody trading this in the spot market, put sell orders in right here, and they're sitting pretty at the moment. All right. So that's that on Bitcoin. Some people been asking about Siacoin, saying it's a lot silent, not a lot going on. A lot of people don't know about this project. Pretty solid project for what they're trying to accomplish in the storage space using blockchain technology. All right, so and everything is done on a 4-hour chart today, guys, instead of the daily. Clearly, what we see here. Let me zoom this back out. We're in a good uptrend. All right, and then now we have violated this trend line. So look at this trend line all the way up. So y'all see. All right, let's move this out of the way. All right, so you see this trend line. Nice uptrend, but we're just violating it. Okay. If anything, we could come back up and retest this trend line and we can drop. I have this blue box where I think the price possibly could come down and settle into. All right. So this could be a buying zone to come back here. And it's already, to me, in a buying zone. If you're just purely investing with this, it's just, you call dollar cost average in if you need to. But Siacoin still seems like it will have some opportunity to go higher. But if you look at this pattern over here, you see how this looks similar to this. So this is what I was expecting, and we may go a little lower. Okay, we got to push up and then look at the price action to come down here to set these lows. Okay, so we're seeing something similar up here. Price rally up and we're gonna break, get like a little bearish flag patterns form, and then we got a little drop. All right, so there's something to keep in mind on Siacoin, XRP. All right, so XRP, I want you to look at this. So take a look at this pattern right here. Let's look at this right here. All right, what do you see over here? It's right here. Look at this. Okay, what happened? Boom. Okay, watch out. Boom. Keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. All right, it's possible could happen. These patterns that show up all the time. Okay. A couple weeks ago, I told you guys, I said, look out for this failed pattern. We always get a drop. And look, we're in that drop now. So I'm glad some of you guys did not buy up here and you waited patiently. Look where we're at right now. We're at 61%. I even put in a video that we looked at, we can come down to the 61%. And we're here. Okay, so we possibly got a little break. Yes, we did break a little bit of the 61. That could be a sign that we still could go lower, and we could visit up the 78% level, which would put us around 20 cent XRP. So keep that in mind as you're looking to trade XRP. Let's see if there's any. We do Cardano, and roughly you don't really have to do too many pairs when it comes to cryptocurrencies. You can really look at the Bitcoin because of the dominance in the market. Normally, all the coins follow its trajectory for the most part. So let's see what's happening there. Swing it high. Swing it low, swing it high. All right, so we got some key things. We've broken this 50%, so we're probably going to the 7 cent region to 61, and we need to see how price operates at this level. If we pierce this, then we definitely could come on down to these next areas, even 4 cent. If it come down to 4 cent, I will load up big time on Cardano. Do uni swap. Swap. Let's do. Guess we'll try. We'll do Tether. Yeah, we go with Tether. Uniswap Tether. All right, because it's a newer coin. There's not a lot of data that's formed on here. It's actually gonna be a little easier to see. All right, 61% was broken. We're below the moving average. I think we're gonna come to $3.50. So we still may come back into this region before we start seeing some more growth to the upside. All right, so price could come back into this area. Upside target. $10.30 area or even higher. So that's that on Uniswap. It's based off Qcoin's exchange with Uniswap. Remember, never chase, never buy in an uptrend. For me, wait for price to come back down to key levels. All right, look at this. When I say look, so look left. Look at this. Price want to come back down to what area that was once a resistance. All right, price came up, had a hard time breaking. Finally, we get the pop. Get the pop out. Price hadn't come. It's almost here. It's close. It's coming back. It's close to visiting this area. All right. So possibly get price come back down here and then we go up, or we come break, boom, and we could go lower. All depends. All right. Nevertheless, that's why you need to become technical investors. You don't have to literally trade this like a day trader, but you can use some technical analysis. I do have a few little slots left to work with people one-on-one. I'm going to be soon closing that out to focus more on my investment company, and what I do is just invest. So not really doing too much teaching and stuff. So like I said, you can email me if you need to reach out to me. Hit the like button, subscribe. I like to put out more videos. Keep you guys updated. I'm going to finish out the video going over dollar index, and we'll go from there. All right, so with the dollar index, we had a strong rally up here. All right, this looks good, but at the same time, I wouldn't trust this. Why? Because we're basically in a channel. This is nothing but consolidation. So to me, there's nothing to really get excited about. Price still is in this channel. It hasn't broken out of this channel. But at the same time, the dollar index was in a massive downtrend for a while, back up here in the start of August, actually July. So this is shaping up to be a classic bear flag pattern. Got a nice little push down, and now we got consolidation. And if we break this, then maybe we can talk. But we're looking for price to stay within this range, or even break this to even go lower. And if that's the case, now we're getting into the October, November, getting close to elections time. You could possibly see the dollar going weak, especially if Biden is leading the polls. You're probably going to see a lot of weakness in the dollar based off of that. And if so, we could see cryptocurrency start to make a little rally and be strong. Okay, so we are going in what we call alt season. You can expect October November for things to possibly pick up. So if this dollar is weak, that's what we want. Okay, this is why you see Bitcoin did very well during this time, and over here it was a little bit suspect. As the dollar was rising in strength, the altcoin markets and crypto as a whole, it was stable enough. It wasn't doing that great. So always remember, the dollar still matters in this cryptocurrency. And for the looks of it, like the stock market, the equities market is still involved and dictates a lot of what uh, the price behavior of the crypto market will do. All right, so like I said, hit the like button, subscribe, like put out more videos. Y'all have a great one.